Cleanliness is incredibly important for your baby's developing immune system. Before handling any feeding equipment, always wash your own hands thoroughly with soap and water. Take the bottle completely apart, separating the nipple, collar, bottle, and cap. Rinse them under running water, then wash each part in warm, soapy water using a clean bottle brush. Pay close attention to the nipple to ensure no leftover milk remains trapped inside, and then rinse thoroughly. Now let's use our tabletop sterilizer. Pour the exact amount of water recommended by the manufacturer into the heating base. Arrange the bottle pieces into the sterilizer trays. Usually, the bottles go face down on the bottom rack, and the smaller parts like nipples and collars go on top. Pop the lid on and turn it on. The high temperature steam will eliminate 99.9% of harmful bacteria. Once the cycle finishes, let the parts cool completely before removing them. Now, let's prepare the formula. Always read instructions on your specific formula container as ratios can vary. First, pour safe, clean water into your freshly sterilized bottle. Always put the water in first. This ensures your measurements are perfectly accurate. Next, use the scoop provided in the container to measure the powder. Fill the scoop and level it off using a clean knife or the built-in leveler on the top. Do not pack the powder down as this can make the formula too concentrated. Add the exact number of scoops to the water. Secure the collar and nipple tightly and give the bottle a good shake until the powder is fully dissolved. If you prefer to warm the bottle, place it in a bowl of warm water or a bottle warmer. Never use a microwave as it creates dangerous hot spots. Test a few drops on the side of your wrist to ensure it's comfortably warm before feeding. Then find a quiet, comfortable place to sit. Cradle your baby in your arms, keeping their head slightly elevated above their stomach. This helps prevent them from swallowing too much air. Hold the bottle at an angle so the nipple fills completely with liquid, not air bubbles. Let your baby feed at their own pace. Watch for their cues. If they turn away or spit out the nipple, they may need a break or might be getting full. Enjoy this quiet, close bonding time as they drift into relaxation. To finish the routine, we need to burp the baby to release any trapped air. Gently lift them to your shoulder, supporting their bottom with one hand. Keep their chest pressed softly against you, and use your other hand to gently pat or rub their back in an upward motion. Alternatively, you can sit them up on your lap, supporting their chin and chest with your hand, and gently pat their back. Once you hear that satisfying little burp, your baby is clean, fed, comfortable, and ready for a peaceful rest. You've done a wonderful job, caregiver. Thank you for watching and enjoy these sweet moments.